Hello everybody, this is Jerry at M7 Speed again in North Carolina. It's December 21st, 2017. We thought we'd show you our latest and probably last build for the year. So what we got here is a 2012 R56 Mini Cooper S. Dwight here, North Carolina resident, come by to see us last summer and had a stage 1 tune done to his car. And man, he was like jazzed. He said it was awesome. So he saved up his money and brought it back to us here, and he said, I'm all in. Full Monty, give me everything you got. So what we got here, we installed a Wagner competition intercooler, a Miltech catalyst downpipe. We installed a M7 Speed turbo charge pipe system. We put in a Borla sport exhaust form, sounds killer. We did the stage 2 tune on this car, and let me tell you, this is the fastest badass Mini we've built to date with bolt-on parts. This thing rocks it. We haven't been to the dyno yet. It's probably going to go here in the next couple weeks once we can get it scheduled. And but my seat tells me, my butt tells me this thing's making 250 plus at the wheels. Maybe a bit more. It's a rocket ship. Let's show you under the hood here what we got. This car's got new speed wheels on it. NM Engineering new speed wheels. They're pretty cool. I like them. They do a nice job. So this is a straight up N18 motor. All bolt-on parts. It's got an NM Engineering intake. He had that, you know, when he first bought the car before he even knew about M7. But that's okay. It's good stuff. It's all good stuff, man. Just don't buy Chinese crap. So like I said, this car's got a Killer KO3 brand new turbo on it. It's been hot rodded. It's got a built aluminum compressor wheel, a low drag center bearing, and it really puts out power. Torque comes in at 2200 RPM. That's awesome. Down low it really kicks in, what you need in these cars. So if you want a badass Mini built, you come see Jerry at M7 Speed, because this is what we do all day every day. So, badass Minis, that's us, man. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, and have a great 2018. Thanks for all your support out there. Out.